Hey everyone, this is a quick run through on how to draw our favorite armadillo, Armie. Here we go. So to begin, we just want to draw a super large arc that shows the top of his head, and then a horizontal line across, and then another horizontal line across to indicate his neckline. And then we're going to do his ears. So we're going to do one large arc, and then 2 points, and then another large arc. It's going to take a couple times to do it. It's all right. You can try over again till we get an arc that we're happy with. And there we go. Almost. Yeah, this happens all the time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can always hit the erase button or do it over again or draw another piece of paper. So there's the bottom of his ears. Next, we're going to draw a large oval just for Armie's eyeglass, just for his right eye this time. And then in that, we're going to do his big eyeball. And then we're going to draw his smile. You'll see his nose. When I'm happy with it, you'll see it takes a couple times. And then his tooth. And then behind his nose, we're going to draw another partial oval to indicate his other lens. And there we go. Going to connect that real quick and draw his other eye. Next, we're going to draw 2 tiny lines for his nose so he can breathe. And then we'll draw the temples of his eyeglass, just so we know they can hold up. That's going to be 3 lines just for that, and then we're going to fill this bad boy in. Yeah, we could just color that real quick. And then next we'll draw his eyebrows, give him some expression. There we go. 2 dashes for his eyebrows. Kind of an aw shucks smile, and then we'll draw his jowls. Or his kind of cheeks. We'll get into his neckline for the sweater. So he was always wearing a V-neck sweater. So to indicate that, we'll draw 2 V's. And that'll be kind of the piping for his sweater. And then his collar and a little dot just to indicate buttons. And then we'll get into the stitching of his collar right there. And then we're going to draw 3 quick lines vertically, and then to indicate his legs. And then we'll draw the feet. You can see those are a bunch of just C's or number 3s or whatever you want to call it. And then we'll draw the sleeve for his shirt, and then indicate his hand. And then next we'll draw the tail, which takes a couple times to get. It's almost like a slug shape. So you'll see I have to do it a couple of times. Once again, don't worry about it. We're always redrawing. And it's the fun part of discovering what's right. And then 3 vertical lines to indicate the sections of his tail. And then simply we'll just indicate the scales on his tail with a bunch of, if you want to call it, U's on their side, or number 3s, or a bunch of W's that point to the left. And then we'll happily draw him waving, because he's a friendly guy and loves to make friends. He's probably waving to you from the library or, from his desk, reading his favorite book. And there we go. All right, hope you guys had fun. Have fun drawing Armie. We'll see you soon. Bye.